Hello, Mana Palanga. How's everybody doing today? If you didn't know, me and Brina are playing the stock market a little bit, and we started playing the cryptocurrency. We're on the app called Robinhood, which you can trade crypto and stocks very easy. More on that later. Bad Robinhood. And we found this little coin. I'll show you a picture right now. It's called Dogecoin, but it's a picture of a dog. Looks like, I originally thought it was Dog E-Coin. Like, that's a weird name. But I had to look into it. Now, Dogecoin is one of the cryptocurrencies you may not have heard of. The two main coins out there are Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're a lot more mainstream. You hear about them on the news all the time. But there's actually over 200 different coins on the market. And even Facebook was going to start a coin called Libra. I'm not sure what happened. I think that fell apart. Some regulations. Cryptocurrency has a wide range in price. There's one I found called KIN, K-I-N. It's worth 0.00037, something like that, cents. $1 would buy you about 2,600 coins. Never heard of them, not recommending them. But Bitcoin, like last week before, was about $40,000 a coin. It fell to 32, and I think it's back up to 35,000 per coin today. But we're here to talk about Doggy, actually. Dogecoin. Looks like Doggy. Dogecoin was made to be instant transfer and free from traditional banking, so no fees. And it's used for small transactions, mostly online for tipping. Officially, Dogecoin is a decentralized peer-to-peer currency that's easy to send money online. Think of it like an internet currency. Now I said I was using Robinhood, and they have an area discover new coins, new crypto, and that's where I came across it. The price was low, very low, but I was intrigued. They had a cute little dog as a meme, so me and Brina both decided to put $100 in and see where it went. $100 seemed like a good enough risk to start with. Wasn't a lot of money. If we lost it, we lost it. If it went up, great. I didn't tell you the price. When we first bought, it was less than a penny a coin. It was actually 0.008 cents. So if you bought $1 worth, you got 120 coins. 1 divided by 0.008.
The answer is 1.
Okay, Siri knows the answer. Put $1 in when we first found this coin. You got 125 coins. Hi.
Hi. You know mga palangga, may $100.
Shh, I haven't got that far.
It gained up to like 1,600.
I haven't got that far yet.
1,600 pero hindi ko
Hey,
benta.
don't wreck the end of my story. She stole my story. Okay, vlog over. Bye. Well, so we both put in $100. I actually put $94 in originally and bought some afterwards. But $94 got me 11,000 coins. Now the good news. GameStop and all these places on the stock market got banned from being traded on like Robinhood, bad Robinhood. And it's mostly because people weren't looking at the financials of the company. GameStop is losing money. They're having problems making money because all the games are bought online nowadays. So nobody's going to GameStop unless it's to buy a new console. It's a company I wouldn't personally buy. And Jimmy's gone. That's okay. Anyways, if you haven't watched the stock market lately, companies like GameStop took off. It basically went from $80 to about $500. And then a place like Robinhood stopped them from trading. Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Webull, and a number of other places stopped it from trading. Mostly because the people on Reddit community were talking about the stock and saying, let's bring the stock up to $500, and they did. There's some other financials involved. People were shorting the stock more than they should have, which means they're selling something they didn't have, hoping the price went down. These are big banks and stuff who lost billions of dollars because of this. So the rumor is that Robinhood and these other places stopped the trading to help the big investors. More about that later. But right after that, Reddit community started talking about Dogecoin. And they started saying, let's bring this coin up to $1. Well, we already owned it. So yesterday, I woke up and my less than a penny stock was worth like 4 cents. That's a 4 times gain. Every $100, every penny was worth $110, something like that. A little more than that. So we made $400 or $500 just by going to bed. And the price continued to go up all day. And Reddit's still talking about this coin. And Robinhood did ban people from buying it for a little while, but I think they let people buy it now. This coin has also been one of the favorite Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the owner of Tesla, Boring Company, helped found PayPal, stuff like that. He's also planning on having a settlement on Mars for the next 10, 15 years. And he mentioned Dogecoin maybe being one of the currencies they use there. Of course, they don't want to bring paper currency or coins themselves because there'd be a lot of weight to take the space, when digital is so much easier. So he's looking at Dogecoin maybe being one of the monies they use in the future. And he tweeted this about a month ago, and Dogecoin doubled in price. Well, yesterday, the coin went up to about 7 or 8 cents each, which is a pretty big gain. And that's what Brina's talking about. She made all that money. And Elon Musk tweeted again. The last time after I tweeted, it took about 2-3 days for the coins to go up. And this time, the coin hasn't went up yet. It's still sitting at 4 or 5 cents a coin. So we'll see if it goes back up or not. Let me talk about Robinhood. Robinhood is made for individual investors to easily invest money. You swipe, tap, click, very easy. But they stopped trading. They stopped people from buying GameStop, BlackBerry, Nokia, and some cryptocurrencies. I think they stopped Dogecoin for a little while, but I wasn't affected by any of this. I said GameStop isn't a company I would personally buy, either as BlackBerry or Nokia. None of these companies have a great future. You might disagree. Go ahead and buy, that's fine. But that's not a reason for a company to stop you from buying. If you want to throw your money away, you should throw away anywhere you want, even as on a risk like GameStop, which I believe 3 weeks from now it's going to be back down to less than $70. But that's fine. I wouldn't short it either because people are getting messed up on shorting. I said I didn't get affected by this at all. I wasn't going to buy GameStop, but they shouldn't have banned people from buying what they want. Now, should you buy Dogecoin? Price, when I looked last time, was just under 6 cents. It's been varying all day between 5 and 6 cents. But there's highly fluctuant market. I mean, it's been up and down all day. I think I actually had 7 cents today, went down to less than 4, but sitting right around 5.5 cents a coin. That's not a lot of money. If you have some spare money and want to take a risk, which this is very risky, go ahead and do it. But there's no guarantees it's going to go up just because Elon Musk tweeted it on Reddit saying go to $1. Going to $1 will make it one of the most valuable coins in the world, probably more than Bitcoin. I don't actually see that happening. 20 cents maybe. $1 seems a little far-fetched. $10 is out of the question. $10 would bring Dogecoin more than every other coin combined in value. And remember, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just an enthusiast. So please do all your own research before you buy. Other thoughts, darling?
Well, it's predicted that it's gonna spike to $1 in the end of this year.
I said it wouldn't.
Oh, really?
I said 50 cents maybe.
Huh?
I said 20 cents, 50 cents maybe.
That's why, 1 second.
Well, I said a lot of times when you look at coins or look at stocks and it goes up a penny, nobody cares. But when you start off with a stock that's less than a penny, a coin in this case, 1 penny gain is 100% gain. And every penny after that for us is money.
So I invested $100 as a startup because back then, last week, right?
Last week. We've only been in this for a week and we
The
picked the right
price
time.
of the stock per share was like less than a less than
Less than 1 penny.
less than 1 penny. So my $100, it came out like 15,000 shares. Yeah, something like that, 14 something around like that. And then so hinayaan ko lang mga palangga kasi I believe that in the future, like Bitcoin, you know, right now is like 40k, I think 40,000,
35 right now.
35,000 per share. But back then, maybe nag-start din sila sa maliit na ano. So, sabi ko, hindi ko, ano lang, just try it. And then, last night, can you imagine that my $100 gain? Almost $1,600. Pero hindi ko, but I didn't sell it. Kasi, sabi ko, baka i-increase. I regretted. I should have sell it and I get my $1,600.
She was going to sell, I said $900. And I said, no, hold on. And it hit $1,600. I'm glad I didn't sell at $900.
At this moment, I'm still gaining $600. But I'm not selling it.
And-
I'm going to wait until I can get at least maybe 50 cents. Right?
Yeah, 50 cents.
But you
Maybe.
you need to show Anna because you know they want to see Anna.
Nobody wants to see Anna, do they? They want to see Anna. They want to see Anna. So anyways, I just want to take you along a little adventure for Dogecoin, which we still call Dogecoin sometimes, right, Pi? I said it's of course, started off as a joke. They didn't think it was going to make it, and it took off, and it actually is a coin being used.
Yeah. But to those who want to like have fun, start with this penny stocks. Like me, I was just doing it for fun. And I can't believe that my $100 goes up, and supposedly I gained $1,600, but I regretted so much that I didn't sell it.
Nah.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I said it's still 5-6 cents a coin, and if you have Robinhood, there's other place to buy. It still is relatively cheap. It might not make you rich today, but 5-10 years from now, college fund. That's your college fund right there, Anna. You might have a 10-cent college, you might have a $10,000. I know.
Okay, say hi to Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. You need to say hi to Grandma. So yeah, yan lang ang aming ma-share kasi nag-viral tong mga how you say that, Dogecoin.
Dogecoin.
Yeah, nag-viral so sa mga palangga natin siya na interested ng mga stocks. I think gusto ko yung mga penny stocks kasi kung malugi ka, penny lang naman eh. For fun only.
And what was funny is last week I was going to do a blog on including Robinhood, telling how there's app was really good to use, and although it's still good to use, I'm sort of mad at them for blocking all the trades. I would have gave them a thumbs up. Now it's, I don't know, maybe in a week or so I'll forgive them, but right now I'm not too happy with Robinhood. I'm planning on doing some more financial stuff, basic stuff, how to invest, what to look for in stock, and how to keep analysts quiet when you're vlogging. Anna, you ready to end the vlog?
Yeah.
Anyways, this is Anna, I'm Chris, and that's Brina over there. And come here, get your face in here. And thanks for watching our vlog. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Now you're talking.